Welcome. If you've been wondering how to change the city on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to update your city information quickly and easily. First, open the Facebook app on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo to go directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal and public information is stored, including your current city. In the About section, scroll down until you see the Places Lived category. Here you can manage all your location details. Next to the city information, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots to reveal a menu of options related to your current city. From the drop-down menu, select Edit City. This will open a space where you can make changes to your city. Type in your new city or the city you want to display on your profile. After entering the correct city, don't forget to hit the Save button to confirm your changes. This step is important because if you skip it, your updates won't be applied. And that's it. Your city information on your Facebook page is now updated. Whether you've moved recently or just want to update your profile for any reason, this quick process keeps your information current and accurate. Remember, Facebook regularly updates its app layout and features, so if you don't see these exact options, look around in similar sections like profile settings or location info. But as of now, these steps make changing your city straightforward and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tips to stay updated with the newest Facebook features. Stay connected, and see you next time.